The best bit about my job is the whole process, from start to finish, from booking in stuff to getting it out, making sure everyone's got the right parcels. The biggest challenge is difficult customers. We try and get them to them as quick and as efficient as we can. Just be patient with us. It has been a difficult time for the team, but the highlight for me is I've learned a lot of new things. I now support the university purchasing team with goods receipt. I would really like to thank Diana Price for supporting me and been with me through lockdown, because it has been really hard for me.